Ask anyone what their biggest expense is. They'll say their house, their mortgage, their rent. They're wrong. The real answer is sitting in your driveway. Your car doesn't feel expensive. You made the payments, you got the insurance, maybe you even paid it off, done. But here's what nobody actually calculates. The average American car costs over $12,000 per year to own and operate. That's not the purchase price. That's every year. Depreciation, insurance, financing, fuel, maintenance, registration. All of it added up every single year. Over 10 years, that's $120,000 quietly, consistently, with zero return. Your house at least builds equity. Your car does the opposite. It loses value the moment you drive it off the lot and charges you for the privilege every month after. This isn't an argument to never own a car. It's an argument to see it clearly, because most people make their biggest financial decisions based on the monthly payment, not the total cost, not the opportunity cost, not what that capital could have become if it went somewhere else. The monthly payment is designed to make expensive things feel affordable. It's one of the oldest financial illusions there is. You don't have a car payment. You have a wealth transfer every single month to a depreciating asset. So what does this actually cost you? Let's make it real. Say you finance a $40,000 car at 7% interest over 5 years. Your monthly payment is around $790. That's $47,400 paid over the life of the loan for a car that's now worth maybe $18,000. You just lost $29,000 in 5 years, before insurance, before fuel, before a single oil change. Now take that same $790 a month and put it into an index fund averaging 8% annual return. In 10 years, you have over $140,000. In 20 years, over $460,000. That's not theory. That's arithmetic. The car didn't just cost you $40,000. It cost you the future value of everything you put into it. That's what opportunity cost means. And it's the number nobody shows you at the dealership. Now multiply this across every car you'll own in your lifetime. The average person owns 13 cars. Even at conservative numbers, you're looking at hundreds of thousands of dollars that move from your future to someone else's balance sheet. Here's the shift in thinking that changes everything. Stop asking, can I afford the payment? Start asking, what does owning this actually cost me? And what am I giving up to have it? That question applies to every major purchase you'll ever make. The car is just the clearest example, because it's the one sitting right in front of you. Wealth isn't just about what you earn or what you save. It's about what you stop bleeding quietly every month without realizing it. The most expensive things in your life rarely feel expensive. That's exactly why they're dangerous. And the car is just the beginning. Every major purchase you make has a number like this hiding inside it. Subscribe, and we'll find them together.